from a second gear and it still spins. That's one thing I hate, but hey, we're not gonna talk about that. Oh, Cap. It's so fun, bro. Hey, yo, welcome back to another banger video. And today, I'm gonna talk 5 things that I hate about my Scatpack. So, let's get into it. But before I talk, little bad things about the car is that I absolutely love the car. There's nothing that I hate other than these 5 things I'm about to name right now. But it's an amazing car. It looks beautiful. If it ain't a wide body, don't get it. Hey, if you got a narrow body right now, put that wide body kit on there because that makes a really big difference. Anyways, let's hop into it. So number 1 is gonna be the brake dust. So let me show you. So right now, this is pretty clean right now because I cleaned the car like a couple days ago. You can see I missed a spot right here, but bro, brake dust on this car is horrible. Like if you look at the inside, look, I'm gonna put my finger. I don't even want to do this, but I'll do it for the video. I mean, bro, look, it's so deep in there. Look at this shit. Ew. That is all that in there. That's one thing I hate is the brake dust. You see, look, it's so dirty, bro. Anyway, but that is, let's say if you clean the car after one drive, that thing will be like covered, and I haven't even driven it that much. Like I did that pool and that's about it. So that's the first thing I hate. The back is usually not that bad because the front one has the 6-piston bimbos and then the back one has 4. But even because you had the old Scat, right? Mm-hmm. That had a 4-piston in the front. It was still bad. And it was horrible, wasn't it?
Bad,
really right? Bad. I hate that. What about the Mustang right now? Yeah. I mean, that's pretty much every car coming in at 2. Second thing that I hate about this car is gonna be the tips. So these are, what are these, 4-inch? I think they're 3.5. I don't know, but personally, I think they should have done the 5-inch tips from factory because it just looks a lot better. That's gonna be the next mod I have to do. I don't know if it's gonna be the next one, but I'm definitely gonna get the 5-inch tips. But I hate that. I absolutely hate that. The diffuser, that's an aftermarket, but it needs 5-inch tips, bro. I don't know what's wrong with them. Why would they put a tiny 3.5 inch on a fucking Scatpack? Like, even on the cats, they put the same tips. Like, they need to differentiate the cars a little bit. But they don't care. They don't care about us. That's why they stopped making them. Alright, so that was the tips. That was the second thing I hate. Now coming in, that third thing I hate about this car is gonna be the wheel gap. So y'all see? Alright, so for the wide body, they do come with the 20-inch rims. And then they do come with the 305s all around. Front, you can see it, but it's not as bad. But the back, that bitch. That's a fist, bro. Look, let me show you. That, it don't fit, right? Watch this shit right now. And look, this is not a, look, what the fuck, bro? That's not right. Dude, that looks so ugly. Okay, just so you don't think it's on a hill or anything, I'm gonna show you the other side too. So, look at that. See? I hate this. And then another reason why I don't want to lower it is because of the Magnerite suspension. And when you do lower it or put lowering springs on there, it does fuck it up somehow. If y'all know who is Lewis, he had a wide body Scat. He sold it and got an M3, but he had issues with his suspension after he lowered it. That's why I'm scared to do it, but we'll find out. Fourth thing I hate is gonna be, so y'all know how in 2019 they came out with the snorkels on the grill, so there's like one right there and one on the other side. I feel like they should have kept it, but it looked better that way, but they got rid of it. So that's another thing I hate is the snorkels, but I'm gonna do that aftermarket anyway. I'm going to do the LED, so it's gonna be the white. I don't know if I want to do the color changing one. I might as well, but that's the fourth thing I hate is the snorkels in the grill. Coming in at 5, this is the last thing I hate about this car is gonna be the lights. So the lights on the inside, this is, even if you get the upgraded version of everything, like as of interior technology pack and everything, it's still gonna come with that dirty, ugly yellow lights. Same thing with the side markers, but what I'm talking about is, you can see, right? The yellow lights. So under the door, they're everywhere. There should be somewhere over here too, but you can see over there. That's one. All of these are really ugly. That's not They should do white, bro. LED. We're in year 2023. We're not in fucking 2002, bro. Look at this. Even in the back, every single fucking, the light you think of for brightness, look. I mean, those are all on. Look, right here. Is there one over here? Let's see. Yep. Look. That, I don't like that. That was the 5th thing, though. The lights. I hate those lights. And then same thing with the headlights. If you don't get the upgraded headlights, you get these dirty, ugly looking headlights. You had those, right? Mm-hmm. Those were so bad, bro. But I have the upgraded ones, so I'm not going to complain about that. But, like I said, those shouldn't be an option. They should already add it on the Scats. If you're already going to be paying like, what, 50 fucking K for a regular cat? I mean, Scat. You're not going to get a cat for 50K, bro. And then for extras, I'm going to throw in the side markers. Those side markers are horrible. I have the aftermarket ones, so they're like tinted. The old ones, I can put a picture of it. I should have a picture somewhere in my phone. I'll put a picture of those. But you know how Durangos come with the hellcat hood? The narrow body hellcats? Chargers? Yeah, Durangos come with it too. I like that hood. These should come with that. But that's Dodge for you. Good thing they ain't gonna make these. Because they better make them right if they do ever again. Another thing is, if you see this vent right here, so without the narrow bodies, I mean without the wide body, they do come with the fog light, but wide bodies they don't. Now you see this little gap right here. I've seen people do aftermarket lights, like vertical ones. I feel like Dodge should have added that in there. You know, might as well. Or make a scoop or air vent to make it more aerodynamic. I do like this though. I absolutely love this car, and those things I had to literally find today. I had to go in through it. The only thing I deep down knew from everyday life was the brake dust and how dirty the car gets. But other than that, I love the car. Another extra one I can throw in there is the wheel. Like, let me show you. You see how that wheel is like not sticking out? And don't tell me it's my alignment, because I promise you it's not my alignment. Because it's on the both side. See how it's like indent, like it's in there? It's not aligned with the fender or the wide body fender. Like front is alright, but I feel like the back is worse. But I just feel like it should be aligned with the fender, like, you know, it should come out a little bit, maybe. Not it shouldn't come out, but at least it should be like straight on, you know, aligned. Well, there we go. That was the 5 things I hate about my 2021 wide body Dodge Charger Scatpack. That was end of the video. Y'all stay tuned, because we're gonna be bringing some crazy banger videos. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Yeet.